To change out your torsion bar on your vehicle or your torsion springs, you're gonna need one of these. This is a torsion bar key from Dynofit. You're gonna take this and you're gonna place it over the cross member. This piece here is going to connect into that key and push it out of the way so that you can remove your torsion bar and replace it. You want to make sure to use a torque wrench and not an impact driver. Impact is going to put too much pressure and probably over torque that spring, and you loosen it up and your job is done. It's a little bit more difficult and involved than that, but this is a tool you'll need to replace a torsion bar or torsion spring. Made from forged metal. It's heat treated, and then it has this nice, beautiful gray powder coating on it. It's really strong, really durable. It has a 7/8 inch shank on it so that it can handle most of your jobs. It's able to help you change out the torsion bar on 5, 6, and 8 lug trucks. This is made of forged metal. It is heat hardened, and it has a nice gray powder coat on it. This thing's pretty heavy. It's probably a good 3 to 5 pounds. It's not light. I can tell it's made really good quality. Check the description, make sure it's something that fits your vehicle.